More than meets the eye or meets imagination, yeah. 'Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just...
Okay, y'all, so I'm going to unbox all this stuff here, and this stuff is for my room. I know I look crazy, but oh well. So let's get started. So in this package here is going to be my red curtains that I purchased, and I'll put the link below. This is how it looks, and it has like this little pattern detail on it. Big loops here. So that's the curtains that I'm going to be putting in there. Also got a red round rug. You'll see it once I put it down in the room. So it's packaged well. It's like a red little furry rug. See, it's like nice little fur. It's a round rug, and now you'll see that once I put it on the floor. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This here is the lamps that I ordered. Really pretty. Hold on, let me sit down for this one. I hope you guys can see me here. Sorry if it looks awkward, y'all, but so these here, this is how this one looks here. It's really pretty silver, and these are like touch lamps, so it has like a little fake crystals going all around it. You'll see once I put it up. And two came in the box. So it's a touch lamp. You will see once I put it all together. Thought that was going to be really pretty. And then this is the end tables. Bring y'all a little closer. This here is the end tables. Try to slide one out to show you the pattern. So this is how the end tables are going to look, and it matches my computer table and also that little dresser drawer thing what I have sitting on my TV on right now. And that I got that one from Big Lots, and my computer table I got that from Walmart, which is crazy. Found those patterns. This here I will link this in the description box below, just in case you all are interested in it. They do have other designs as well. I have to put that together. I also purchased artificial plant here, and it is by this company here. And this is the actual plant, how it's gonna look. So yeah, that's that. That over there. Okay. Here y'all. In this box, I purchased some little pictures, small 8x10 pictures to put on my wall. You will see how I will put those. I will link these in the description box below. These are gonna go up top of my bed here. That one, that one, that, and that. I think those are gonna look so cute. And I have picture frames that I purchased from Walmart. I got them a little big because what I'm trying to do is I'm going to put like, you'll see. I got these right here, these little picture frames from Walmart, and I'm going to put them in here, and behind it I'm going to put like red. So you'll see the little concept of where I'm going with the red and the gray and stuff and the black in my room. That's that. And this company, it just say minimalistic wall art, and it's an 8x10, and it's a set of 4. I will put this, oh okay, so it's by this brand here, Gifts Farm Original. And I also purchased another bed set, or like a comforter and stuff. They didn't have anything else at any other stores, but like a white comforter, pillow set, king size. So it comes up in here, and it has like little pillows to go with it. And that's the actual set right there by Intelligent Design, and that's that right there. It's a king size. That's that one. And here I got a accent chair and an ottoman. What this is here. We're gonna open up this box. I'm excited to see how it looks because I was waiting for me to do this video to actually unbox it. So this is my first time seeing it as well. And it's white. There's writing on here. I guess these are like the little, let's see what's in here, actually. Okay, so these are the legs that's gonna go on the ottoman. And y'all, look, that's nice. Oh my goodness, it's the writing on there for me. So that's how that's gonna look. It's nice. So you're gonna see how everything comes together in the room. All right, and this here, move this on to the side. This is the box with all of the, I guess, the legs and everything. The screws and legs here. Oh, these are wooden legs. So these are the little legs that's gonna go with this one. Wish it was black. So this is a little bench, and it's also the same exact print as that ottoman chair. Let's get that out of here. Actually had it on the box. See if I can zoom in for y'all to see the actual picture on the box. So that's that. I'm going to take it out of the box so y'all can see it. From different companies. I'll put all the links below. All this is from Amazon, so I'm excited, y'all. So this is the ornament. All right, y'all. So that is it for this unboxing for the room. And next few clips, y'all are going to see me actually putting everything together in the room. And yeah, so I'll put all the links to everything that I purchased from Amazon below. And see y'all in the next clip. this is how it's looking. See, there's a little shelf at the bottom. I'm going to do the other one off camera. Alright y'all, so I'm going to be putting my curtains up. I'm going to leave the gray ones, take down the purple ones, and put up my red ones. So see how they look. I need a chair, I'm too short. Alright y'all, that's how it's looking. Alright, bring in the end tables. Okay y'all, so we're gonna be putting these lamps together. These are the light bulbs. Have a little thank you card and stuff in here. Actually see like a little crystal shaking on there. These has like little charging USB stations. Little plug right there, which is pretty cool. And like I said, this is a touch lamp, so once I plug it up, then we can see how it actually works. Okay y'all, so it looks like I plugged them in. Let's see. Ooh, touch, 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 then off. So it has 3 settings on here: low, bright, brighter, and then off. That's so nice. I think it has to be sitting down on a flat surface for it to work. Yeah, so it has to be on a flat surface. So like that, that, and that, and then off. Ah. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. So I'm gonna put this on the end table over there and the one over here. So another thing I forgot to show y'all for my room is going to be this TV mount. I'm gonna have it hanging up here on the wall. So yeah, I'll show y'all that when it's done. Okay, so the TV is up on the wall here. It's nice. So that's the other window up on the wall. Okay, I'm gonna push this little dresser drawer. I forget the actual name for it, but I purchased this at Big Lots a while back. So I'm gonna put this up under it. And remember, this is the same exact print as my computer stand. So that's how it's looking. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to make this bed up. I have some gray sheets that I took out, and then we're going to put this on there. So it's gonna watch me do that. Okay, y'all, that's how the bed looks. Okay, so I'm about to put together the bench and the ottoman. Just put the legs and stuff on them.
It's nice, Mom.
Put some in the trash in the hall. Yeah. Get those too.
Mama, can you edit this out? Me talking?
Tell me